The first time that I came to the library, the first thing that I noticed was that it was really pretty. It was really small, but it was comforting, and I felt comfortable to be here. I felt like I could study, that I could focus, but at the same time, that I was home. So I love the way that our library is set up into 3 different floors. On the first floor, that's where you'll find the 24-hour room, the checkout desk, the information desk, which can answer any question that you have just about, private study areas, the copy center, as well as the press, which is our cafe that serves Starbucks coffee, as well as snacks that are really helpful to keep you awake to study longer. Second floor is where you'll find private study areas as well as general study areas, the English and Math Tutoring Center, which is very helpful, as well as our Digital Media Center, or DMC for short, which has an audio and video room. The third floor is our quiet floor, and this is where I would go if I needed to study quietly and really focus. Maybe that's during prep week or during finals, but it really helps students to have that quiet atmosphere. There's also our art gallery on the third floor, and it looks really beautiful with our skylight. I made a lot of great memories here, and I hope that you do too.